Just few hours ago, I had a call with my friend and I was coaching him for about his journey on self-improvement journey and so on, and was giving advice and how to do approach this thing and this thing and this thing, and giving my experience also and so on. And so one time I told him that we are not going to actually solve the symptoms, but instead of that, we are going to actually solve the cause. And this video is all about how to actually solve the cause, not the symptoms for video editors. So as video editors, we have these problems that we think that, oh, I need to do this, I need to improve animations, or I need to actually level up my branding or something like that. But maybe yes, you need to improve your branding, but it goes way deeper than that. But let's say you have this video, right? Well, okay, I'm gonna get a different cover. For example, you have this type of video, how to video, right? You have the footage, for example, and for example, you download the footage, for example, right? Then you obviously chop the video, like do the cuts, like base cut and everything. Then you go ahead and do the animations, for example. Then let's say you do color grading, for example. Then you do the zooms for the video, for example, sound effects, and then you obviously do the music. And then obviously you export the video and just make sure it's good quality and everything. And let's say you perfectly can download the footage and organize it and everything, you know. For example, you do it 10 out of 10. And for example, let's say I'd cut your like decent pretty much, and so like 5 out of 10 you just have the basic footage and you chop the video and it's everything good. Like for example, you are like big fan of animations and you can do like Magnets MIDI animations and so on, then probably you're like 8 out of 10. And then you do, for example, what was called color grading. You can do like pretty okay, like just the saturation, just like me, I do always, and you're just balling with the whole footage, like you just popped out the colors and nothing, so you're like, okay, it's like good, like it's fair enough, it's like improvements and so on. For example, the zooms, like it's kind of hard to miss the zooms because you wait for the main points and everything. For example, you go like 6 out of 10, and for example, you have the sound effects, and you have pretty shitty sound effects. For example, they are 2 out of 10, and then you have like decent music, like okay, it's like some lofi type of shit music and everything, you know. And if you have the export setting just like me, then you obviously have the 10 out of 10 export settings. And let's say you have a version 2 to make, and your client, for example, asks, why your video is so shit, my mate? Like in overall it's good, like the downloads is like you can download the video, you can do animation, you can do like pretty good music, and obviously export the video. But the issue is that you are cutting video kind of bad. Maybe there's like jump cuts, like for example, this is like the video and here are the cuts, right? And you made the cuts and cuts. For example, at this point, right, you made the cut really like too early or too fast, or the sentence didn't finish, or there's like breath or something like that, like intake the breath like this, and you know, like you just talk about and then and so on, you know, and there's like breath or some bullshit that you shouldn't do, or maybe you like chop the video like kind of wrong because you missed the chopped like important parts of the video and so on. And so the actual cut is really mid because yeah, you have to just work on it and so on. And the client's gonna say, you need to improve this, you need to improve this, and this first minute you need to improve this and so on. And yeah, that will be like kind of suck, but although you need to do like cutting part better, like improve it on your version 2 and so on. So actually it's gonna take time and so on, so it's kind of big of a shambles, but although. And so maybe your color grading is kind of off, maybe the color is too blue or too red, or any like exposed, or too like dark or something like that, and your client's going to say, oh, it's overexposed, fix the issue and so on. Okay, it's easy kind of fix it, but like, you know, there shouldn't be like this type of shit. Like, you already have to know how to like color grade stuff and everything, but although you're just learning and everything. But for example, your color grading is kind of mid, and so you think like that, damn, maybe my video is kind of shit, but why? And these are the reasons. They cut the shit, the color grading shit, maybe the sound effects are like terrible, like they are like so like out of the place, let's say, and they are so dramatic and doesn't fit the vibe and the actual to the animations. Like, it makes the animations even worse. For example, when you have the sound effects that are out of place, maybe the whoosh is too loud, maybe you should actually switch to a better sound effect that fits, like makes sense more to make it the animation realistic and so on. And so the sound effects could be a big problem. And so we are actually going to solve how to actually do sound effects, and you should focus on the next video at least how to solve the sound effects or how to make cuts better. And so you got a new video and you understand that, oh, maybe my cut is bad, maybe my sound effect is not that really well, like some real kind of shit, to be honest, and maybe should I improve this, but your constraint, your biggest constraint is at this stage is sound effects. So you obviously need to improve sound effects to level up your videos in general, to make it better and so on. So the average score of this is like, for example, your average score is 6.5, but if you want to actually improve the video, you need to nail the sound effect part, for example. And for example, you gain like 3 points, and right now the new score is like 5 out of 10, right? Like the new score for this video, for example, right? You improve your video by like 0.3 points, right? So it's like 3% better video out of 100%. So it's actually not that much, but hey, it's still improvement, so we take it. You improve your like cause, and in overall your video is going to be way better. So yeah, that's like the main point on how to actually improve the video and actually solve the cause. And this is like only for the actual creation video, like video editing process, but maybe you want to gain more clients, and so this is like one big part. Like, for example, there are like, I would say 3 parts of actually like you want to gain a new better client. And so the 3 like main pillars, right, to actually gain this thing is, for example, editing skills, your skills, right, then your beliefs about yourself, and obviously there's your traits, just such as like how disciplined are you, how charismatic, how many like social skills, what's your level of social skills, like it's also in this type of stuff, but how patient are you with the client and so on. And so these are like 3 main pillars to actually how acquire better clients, so on. And so maybe you're like how a good like skills in general, you have the good branding, you have this and had this, and for example you were like 10 out of 10, just for example, right? And you're just the best video editor in the whole world. But let's say your mindset is lacking, bro. Like, you think like in general you actually the worst video editor, and maybe, oh, how limiting beliefs that I cannot charge more because I'm 15 years old, so maybe I'm from India or something like that, because in my country like this is like what I'm charging already is like a big salary and so on, so I cannot actually charge anymore. So for example, your beliefs are like 2 out of 10, and maybe your traits are like, okay, they are like good, but you can also work on them. But for example, you got 10 to 7, that would be like, for example, you want to get like $1,000 paying client per video, right? Per video, let's say per video, for example, right? And you wonder why you cannot actually get the client, because your editing skills, your branding in a whole image is really, really great, but beliefs is like 2 out of 10, mate. If you have any like struggles with these, any like pillars, then obviously you're not gonna actually land $1,000 paying client, because you have really bad and weak belief system. And so you need to actually improve your belief system, how to actually do more affirmations. So maybe your mental capacity, maybe your weak mindset is holding you back and so on. And so that's why you cannot actually land that client. And so you need to work on that to actually land this. not to work on maybe more skills. Maybe I need to work on more my traits or something like that. Like, yeah, sure, you can also work on that. But your biggest weakness is beliefs, and so you need to work on belief system, not not on your skills or traits. And this is must-have mindset as a video to actually develop your video editing game and so on. If you gained any value from this video, then make sure to subscribe, because by end of this year, I want to help 1,000 people to level up their video editing game. And thank you for watching this video, and see you later. Peace.